back to our channel. So today's video is mainly going to be just about hair care routine and how we've been maintaining our hair in this quarantine days. So we'll be showing you how we've been personally maintaining our hair and taking care of it.
Firstly, what we're going to do is we'll show you what DIY hair mask we've been using all these days, and we'll be keeping that for like 30 or 40 minutes before our shower. So what we use is, firstly we'll be adding curd. Now since we both are using it for our hair, here is a little bit too much, so like according to our length, and you guys can use it for your hair. The next thing we'll be using is
Parachute oil, coconut oil.
Yeah, we'll be putting 4 tablespoons of it since it's both of our hair.
And the last thing we'll be adding is honey. So honey helps in moisturizing your hair, and it also helps in bringing in the shine to your hair.
So since my hair is colored and even her hair is bleached, so because of that we'll be using honey.
So since honey helps in moisturizing our hair, so we'll be using 1-2 tablespoons of honey for both of us.
So our mask here is ready, and this is what the consistency should look like.
We'll be partitioning our hair and we'll be applying it with our fingertips.
Firstly, apply it to your scalp.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just.
So as you guys can see, we've already applied our hair mask and we'll be keeping it for about 30 to 40 minutes. So
until then, we thought of just going on with our face masks, since it's been a while. It's winter now, so we are your skin feels so dry. So we have just thought of doing a hydrating face mask, and she'll be doing the.
So I'll be using the moisturizing face mask.
So messy when it comes to face mask, but it's so good for skin.
True.
My face is so small, it doesn't fit at all. So all I do is I go, never wash off the liquid, always go below your neck or your hand.
I'll be massaging with the remaining gel. We'll be keeping this for about 10 to 15 minutes or probably 20 minutes. So it's been 15 to 20 minutes since we applied this face mask. So now we'll be gently removing it.
All we'll do is just massage and let it absorb into our skin. Guys, will quickly tell you which shampoo we've been using from a while now. So we use Freewill's shampoo.
So we've been using Freewill shampoo and the hair mask.
As you can see, you have your name printed on it.
Yeah, so we've been using the Freewill shampoo and the mask, also followed by the serum after the shampooing. So my hair is a bit dry and damaged due to the bleach. So I personally use the Freewill Personalized Kit shampoo and the mask, which has been working wonders for my hair. Like, my hair feels really moisturized and the breakage of my hair has also reduced, which is really nice.
I've been using Freewill as well. So I have bleached hair, and the ends of my hair really feel dry and dull at some point of time, since my hair is bleached, of course. So this has personalized for what kind of hair I want, and that's how the shampoo has been helping me. Even I've been using it from a while. So I also have dandruffs, and this shampoo has reduced my dandruff as well. So this is what the shampoo does wonders on.
And also the shampoo is paraben and sulfate free, and
So,
it also
which is really great to use.
Yeah, and it also has amazing ingredients like argan oil, biotin, keratin, and a lot of other products. Yeah, so it actually nourishes your hair and keeps it well moisturized.
Done. We kept our hair for almost 30 to 40 minutes, and now we'll be
Rinsing it off and we'll show it to you guys.
Baby, you can count on me.
washing our hair and we have blow dried our hair as well.
I will be using the Freewell serum, and
The Freewell serum is inclusive with vitamin E.
also includes ceramides and hyaluronic.
So we'll be using that now. Also, do not ever apply your serum on your scalp.
Yeah, just the
Basically
ends.
only for your hair, your portion of your hair and the end.
Yeah, make sure to apply on the ends as the ends get dry.
Your hair is bleached, ends tend to get dry a lot, so that's why.
So make sure you apply well on the ends of your hair. So this is how our hair looks like after the shampooing, the DIY, and after applying the serum.
Once we have washed our hair, this really feels really very soft, and
And we really love how our hair turns out after using this product. It actually, like, there's no frizziness as you can see, and
especially
feels
after
very soft.
Yeah, especially after applying the serum, your hair doesn't feel frizzy at all. It's like very soft to you.
Yeah, like everything is controlled and balanced well.
So if you guys want to buy the product, you guys could check out their website, and we will give you another discount code which will be
Right here, which you can get an additional 10% off on the purchase. So make sure to
of their website. Website will be right here as well.
also show you how to get this product by filling the survey. So you can keep watching our video until the end for that.
Guys, this is end about our hair care routine. Please do subscribe to our channel. We have kept another giveaway
For you guys.
when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And
So make sure to show some love and do let us know what videos you want to see next. And until then, bye-bye.
I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation.